Okay, question, go ahead.
What was the last page number of the prayer that you said for the women?
I think it's one.
Or what was the name of the prayer called?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It was our duty 159, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's 159. It is our duty. It's Aleinu L'Shabeach. On top it says Aleinu. Okay. I mean they call it Aleinu. Our duty. It is our duty. 159. Yeah. So I mean, for men, so this whatever I said is for women, and plus as we mentioned, there are two gradations for women: women that are busy, like with children, with taking care of the house, and the women that have more free time. So a woman that has more free time should say, for as we said, for sure she has to say all of the 3 paragraphs of the Shema, not only like the first one and Baruch Shem quote, right? For sure. Okay, and if it's proper, if she has time to pray twice a day, as we said, once you get used to this Shmona Esrei, it takes like I don't know 4 minutes. So in place where I go, they finish, unfortunately, in 15 minutes. So they finish everything. 15, 16 minutes finish with repetition of the Shmona Esrei, and repetition of the Shmona Esrei, and with all of the Kadeshim, like all of the extra Kaddish, with everything 15 minutes, unfortunately, but that's what it is. Okay. I mean, Mincha and Mariv together. That's how fast they pray. Okay. Baruch HaShem.